Hello, I'm Dr. Shahid. I'm working as an emergency physician in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Today we will talk about Australian Medical Council exam or AMC, specifically AMC MCQs. As I recently did my AMC MCQs in first attempt, thanks to my God, and we will discuss all of the details regarding AMC MCQs. Let's start from the preparation resources I used for the preparation for AMC MCQs. So what are the resources I used and what are the resources on the basis of my experience I'm going to recommend you guys. First of all, I started from the handbook, AMC handbook. I did it one time at the beginning. It will give you overview regarding AMC exam, what kind of questions are you going to have in exam exactly. I mean, not the same question, like the pattern of the questions. I did it one time at the beginning. After that, I took the subscription Amadex. I did it 2 to 3 times. It's good for practice, but it's not exactly relevant to the exams. You can use it as a just practice tool. After that, I took another subscription, that is Emertica. That is really good, and Emertica helped me a lot regarding exam. Specifically, the concepts are exactly similar to the exam questions. Even it will make strong knowledge, like the things are very well explained, and it will make your concept more stronger as compared to other subscriptions. So I took Emedica. I did it one time because shortage of time. I just did it in the last month, so it really helped me a lot. And the question statements are also big, as in the real exam the question statements are also big, so it will make you practice similar to the exam pattern. And after that, I took a subscription, that is a teaching course by Dr. Arshan Ahmed. It was for 5 months, so it's also helped me regarding my core knowledge. So overall theory classes were also good, and they also have MCQs for practice, mock tests, different things. So if you have time, I will recommend you can go for this course. And it's also cheap. I mean, it's not the expensive course, just maybe 550 or around about 600 Australian dollars. So it's also helpful. And along with these, I also followed different Australian guidelines, specifically RCGP guidelines, and others like for gynae and also pediatrics, and so on. And after that, I took different mocks, like by Dr. Ahmed specifically, and it's also helped me a lot for the preparation. And these are the all stuff I use for my preparation. So I will recommend you, you must go at least for Emedica, according to my experience, along with review handbook at least 1 to 2 times. And if you have still time, you can go for Dr. Aisham course. It also helped me a lot for the preparation and for the review of all knowledge, specifically the exam oriented stuff. And regarding guidelines, I did just specific topics, not all the guidelines. So like I did for colon carcinoma, prostatic carcinoma, cervical cancer, breast cancer, and the pulmonary embolism. I did just specific topics, not all guidelines. So it's up to you. If you have enough time, you can go for it in details. But if you have shortage of time, you just go for some specific topics which are more important for the preparation of AMC exam. And I also did some group studies. We have 2 to 3 people for the preparation, so it also helped a lot for making the concepts more clear for the purpose of discussions. And the total duration for the preparation of my AMC MCQ exam, it was around 5 to 6 months. So it was good enough time for the preparation. But some people saying 1 to 2 months are enough. Please never listen to them. So AMC MCQ is not an easy exam. On top of that, it's also an expensive exam. So please never go for an immature attempt. Prepare well, then you decide and take some marks if possible. Then go for your exam. And if you have any other queries, please you can mention in the comments, or you can contact on the given contact number. So I will revise it. First, I started from the handbook, AMC handbook. I did it one time at the beginning and one time at the end. And after that, I did emedics for 2 to 3 times. So it's up to you. If you have enough time, you can go for it. And I also did emedica. It really helped me a lot. So I did it just one time because of shortage of time. If you have enough time, you go it for 2 to 3 times. It's really helpful. And after that, I also did one teaching course, Dr. Aisha Ahmed. So if you have plenty of time, of course you can go for this. It's also helpful. And I took some mocks, so they were also helpful. So these are all my preparation material I used. And please don't be too stressed. It's a doable exam. Just prepare well, and of course you will ace it. So and I also give enough time, at least 4 to 6 months for the preparation. Don't listen those people who are saying just 1 to 2 months. All right. And if still you have some questions, so please you can ask, you can mention down, or you can just text me on the contact for any information regarding AMC MCQs. See you next video. Thank you.